My name is Rapartha Kiran Kumar, son of Rapar Tataro and Rapar Timanga. And recently I got selected as Canara Bank PO with the help of Visakha Defense Academy job coaching, and the way they supported me is very helpful during my preparation. And వీళ్ళు ఇచ్చిన జాబ్ కోర్స్ కోచింగ్ కానీ వేరే మైండ్ సెట్ ఫిజికల్ ఫిట్నెస్ కోచింగ్ కానీ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ మన మైండ్ అనేది చాలా డిటర్మైన్డ్గా డిసిప్లిన్డ్గా ఉండడానికి చాలా హెల్ప్ అయింది. అండ్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ దట్ పిఓ after my intermediate I got selected as in Navy SSR, and due to some merit list issue I failed in that. And after completing my degree third year, and as soon as possible after third year I got selected as Canara Bank PO with the help of Visakha Defense Academy. And it was a great help to me from the Visakha Defense Academy.